Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make a beautiful Christmas wreath. To begin, gather your essential materials. You will need a sturdy wire wreath frame, some flexible floral wire, and reliable wire cutters. Next, collect a variety of fresh evergreen branches, such as fragrant pine, soft fir, and aromatic cedar. Don't forget your decorative elements like vibrant berries, natural pine cones, and festive ribbons. Finally, grab a pair of gardening gloves to protect your hands throughout the process. Now, let's start building the base of your wreath. Begin by cutting your evergreen branches into manageable sections, roughly 6 to 8 inches long. Next, create small, uniform bundles, each containing about 3 to 5 evergreen pieces. Take your first bundle and position it on your wire wreath frame. Using your floral wire, securely attach this bundle to the frame, wrapping the wire tightly around the stems and the frame itself. This forms the foundation of your festive. To begin testing, gather a few essential tools: a reliable multimeter, a diagnostic scan tool, and some basic hand tools. Before diving into electrical checks, perform a thorough visual inspection of the oxygen sensor and its wiring. Look for any signs of physical damage, frayed wires, or corrosion. For the most accurate readings, ensure your engine has reached its normal operating temperature before proceeding with any tests. With your evergreen base complete, it's time for the fun part: decorating. Secure pine cones and berry sprigs to your wreath using floral wire or a hot glue gun. Next, weave a festive ribbon through the branches or tie a beautiful bow and attach it as a focal point. Feel free to add other embellishments like small ornaments, jingle bells, or even fragrant dried citrus slices. Once finished, proudly hang your unique, handmade wreath on your door or wall for everyone to admire.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.